Hi there, my name is Scott Phillips. I'm the founder and CEO of StarFish Medical. We've been doing this for 25 years now, and as we reflect back on what was the original spark and what is the thing that sustains us. Initially, the idea was, how do you build a community of people that are very passionate about building things, creating things, and people that want to have an impact. And really, we've stayed true to that vision for the entire 25 years. And people say it's more true now than it's ever been. And so it forces us to hold very high standards. We have to have our clients trust us. We have to provide useful, helpful, meaningful advice, because it's very, very hard to be successful in the domain that our clients are practicing in. So our job is to have them become successful. And how do we provide advice? How do we hold ourselves to an exceedingly high standard of technical excellence to deliver the right thing that costs the right amount, that works well, that's adoptable, that's got IP protection, that fits into a regulatory context, that's technically amazing, it's manufacturable. All of those things, it's like an art what we do. And so we attract people who are passionate about that. And hopefully, the right people find it to be a magical environment full of their peers that they really respect and admire.